In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Notion Enhancer. To get started, open your web browser and search for Notion Enhancer. When you do this, make sure you're looking for the official download source, such as the project's GitHub page or its official release page. This is important because downloading tools from trusted sources helps you avoid outdated files or unofficial versions that may not work properly. Once you're on the correct page, look for the version that matches your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, it's important to choose the right download so the installation process goes smoothly. Take a moment to double check before downloading because using the wrong version can lead to errors or failed installation later on. After the file has finished downloading, begin the installation by following the setup instructions provided on the download page. Depending on your system, this may involve running an installer, extracting files, or following a few command line steps. Just go through the instructions carefully and in order. If the page includes any notes or requirements, make sure to read those as well, since some versions may need additional setup before they work correctly. When the installation is complete, restart the Notion desktop app. This step is necessary because the enhancer usually needs Notion to fully close and reopen before it can load the new customization features. If Notion was already open during installation, closing it completely before reopening is especially important. Once Notion opens again, look for the Notion Enhancer menu or settings area. This is where you'll be able to manage the available options. From there, enable the themes or features you want to use. For example, you may see appearance changes, interface tweaks, or extra quality of life tools designed to improve the Notion experience. Turn on only the options you actually want at first, so it's easier to tell what each feature changes. If you don't see your changes right away, don't worry. Simply restart Notion again. In many cases, themes and enhancements need one more refresh before they appear properly. After that, your selected customizations should be active and ready to use. That's it. By searching for the official Notion Enhancer page, downloading the correct version, following the setup instructions, restarting Notion, opening the enhancer settings, and enabling your preferred features, you can quickly personalize your Notion desktop app and make it better suited to your workflow.